Now let's discuss question number 51. It states that find the values of x and y from the figure given below. So you can see here we have various numbers in this pattern. Here I have a circle, then I have an inner circle and an outer one. So here I will be taking each and every sector of the circle. So you can see I have the number 4. You can find here adjacent to it, it is 12. You know that 4 into 3 is 12. Here I have 5, adjacent to it, it is 20, and you know that 5 into 4, it is 20. That means whatever number is given here, you are taking its predecessor and that gives you this result. So here I can say that this is equal to x into x minus 1 will be the pattern for the outer numbers. So here it is 4 into 3, 12. So here it is 5 into 4, 20. That's why here we have 7 into 6, 42. That means here I have 8 into 7 equal to x, that is 56. Next you can see here 9 into 8 I have 72, 11 into 10 I have 110. So here should be 13 into 12, that is equal to 156. So x is equal to 56 and y is equal to 156. Out of these 4 options, which is giving you the correct answer for x and y? You can clearly see option number 3 gives me 56 and 156 as the answer. So you can easily mark your answer as option 3. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's take up question number 52. It states that in a certain code, country is written as ZSUOVPD. How is teacher written in the same code? So we have a very interesting question related to coding decoding where you have to obtain answer out of these 4 options. For that, very first decode this. So I have here the word country and it is being coded as ZSUOVPD. You know that here word Y, that is letter Y, is followed by letter Z. So here we have letter Y followed by Z. Letter R is followed by S. Letter T is followed by U. Letter N is followed by O. Letter U is followed by V. Letter O is followed by P and letter C is followed by D. That means we are writing here the successor alphabet here but in the reverse order. You are starting from the end. So in the similar manner we will be decoding teacher. So if I write here teacher, its code will be generated with the alphabets starting from the right side. R is followed by S. E is followed by F, H is followed by I, C is followed by D, A is followed by B, E is followed by F and T is followed by U. So the required code for the teacher is SFIDBFU. So you can clearly observe out of these 4 options, the correct answer is found here in option number 4, that is SFIDBFU. You can definitely mark your answer to be option 4. I hope it is clear to you. Let's take up our next question. Now let's take up question number 53. It states here that what number should replace the question mark? Here you can see I have a very beautiful arrangement of the numbers, but you need to identify the pattern which is present over here. So let's try to figure it out. Here I have number 15 and number 2 and here I have the number 14. You know that 15 minus 2 is 13. But this 14 will be obtained when you add 1 to it. That means in this case we are considering 15 minus 2 plus 1 which gives you 14. In similar manner here also 13 minus 2 is 11, 11 plus 1 gives you 12, 13 minus 3 is 10, 10 plus 1 gives you 11, 17 minus 6 is 11, 11 plus 1 gives you 12, 12 minus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 it is 10, 16 minus 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. Here it is 19, 19 minus 2 is 17, 17 plus 1 is 18. So here 16 minus 4, it should be 12 plus 1, 13. You should be getting here 16 minus 4 plus 1 equal to 13. That means 13 should replace this question mark. You can clearly see out of these 4 options, clearly answer is found here in option number 3. The correct answer for this question is option 3. You can mark your answer as option 3, that is 13. I hope it is clear to you. Let's take up our next question.